For anyone seeking studio-level clarity in a pocket-sized, transformable package, the BOYA Magic is not just a microphone. It's the future of portable audio recording. One of BOYA Magic's standout features is its transformable design, allowing it to seamlessly shift between clip-on, handheld, desktop, and on-camera configurations. Instead of juggling multiple microphones for different tasks, users get one intelligent solution that can adapt instantly to vlogging, live streaming, interviews, music recording, or podcasting. This versatility not only simplifies setup, but also reduces the need to carry bulky gear, ideal for professionals and on-the-go creators. Despite its capabilities, BOYA Magic maintains an ultra-slim 13mm profile and weighs just 7 grams. This makes it discreet when clipped onto clothing, unobtrusive when mounted on a camera, and effortlessly portable in any setup. The design ensures creators remain in focus, with no distracting bulk or oversized equipment intruding into the frame. Engineered for broad usability, BOYA Magic connects with nearly all devices, smartphones, laptops, DSLRs, and action cameras, with just a click. The system's case-to-mic control technology adds another layer of convenience. The charging case can directly control the transmitters, enabling one-tap pairing and instant auto reconnection. For creators, this means less setup time and more time focusing on the content. The BOYA Magic Transformable AI-powered mini wireless microphone sets a new benchmark for versatility, portability, and sound quality. Its combination of AI-driven noise suppression, professional-grade audio specs, and adaptive design makes it one of the most forward-thinking audio solutions on the market today. By merging multiple microphones into a single compact device, BOYA not only simplifies the creator's toolkit, but also unlocks new creative possibilities. For anyone seeking studio-level clarity in a pocket-sized, transformable package, the BOYA Magic is not just a microphone. It's the future of portable audio recording.